Welcome back, y'all. It's your boy Saucy D's, man. Coming back on the ones and twos, keeping the saucy as usual. So right now, you see a spread in front of us in regards to a lot of different barbecue techniques. Follow my YouTube. You can see different ways and different applications using these two products right now. How to go about doing some amazing things, from St. Louis ribs, baby back ribs, to barbecue mac and cheese, to quick toss of a potato salad, like an in-house aggressive potato salad, hand-cut french fries with all-purpose Saucy D seasoning on it, accompanied by everything sauce from your boy Saucy D's. You know, if it wasn't saucy, it wouldn't be me. So, lovely barbecue turkey salad, amazing product that's shareable. You know, from 4 to 5 people can just dig right in and work with any of these things that's on the board. Chicken leg quarters, Fresno, everything seasoned, everything sauce, coleslaw, you name it, man. But to help you out with all your in-house barbecue needs, to always take it to another level and turn it up a notch. It's your boy, man. Stay tuned.